Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'll be redoing my floors in my apartment. This is totally renters friendly, and yeah, hope you enjoy. So some of the things we'll be using is cling wrap or plastic wrap or saran wrap, whatever you want to call it. And then I got this tool set. It has a cutter in it for the floor. So I went ahead and did the first two pieces off camera because it was behind the toilet and I had to lift the little shelf behind the toilet up. But yeah, I'm starting. It's really simple. Just pull some saran wrap out, lay it on the floor, and then peel off the backing of the tile and lay it on there. I ran into some problems because somehow it's not like totally square. So if I pushed against the wall, I would have space between each tile. But it was just this square right here, this third square. After that, everything pretty much fit together. So yeah, I just kept peeling and sticking until we ended up with this. This is what one whole box did. Each tile is 68 cents. So I could just go get, I think like 15 more tiles, what I measured it out to be. But I went ahead and just bought a whole nother box. And I'm just gonna use the extra stuff somewhere else probably, or to fix stuff if anything breaks. But it almost covered the whole bathroom, one box, and I think it was 30 tiles, 12 by 12. So this is the second day and I bought a new box and I'm going to go ahead and finish up everything. So I went ahead and laid everything out because I know I'm gonna have to do some cutting for around this area. And yeah, I just laid everything out and just started cutting. So here's when I realized on the second day that I did not use any saran wrap. So this will be interesting on move out day. So I'm covering this part because eventually I do fix it and then cover any blemishes with a carpet. So here is the final look. The mat's covered up a good amount of blemishes, but I'm satisfied because it's better than the floor that I had before. I never got around to behind the toilet. I will be doing a video on this washer I got, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.